Remember, we would have looked at the reaction that happened between the organic acid and the alcohol last class. So I just want you to be reminded that yes, when the organic acid and the alcohol, when they react together, what they're going to be forming is called an ester. An ester, yes. Okay, so remember, you have your organic acid, and remember I told you to put your functional group on the side of each other. So this is your functional group for your organic acid, your double bonded O and your OH, and this is your functional group for the ethanol. Okay, for your alcohol, which is your O and your H. Now remember, our goal when these two react together, what we want to do is we want to get rid of water. So we're going to take out an OH from the acid, and we're going to take an H from the alcohol. And when we're done doing that, all we're going to do is we're just going to write everything back as it is, but we're not going to include these because we would have taken these away. So we're just going to write everything back as it is. See, two carbon atoms, and then this other carbon atom, your double bond, your O, and then we have your O here, and then you have the C, the two C's with the hydrogens. Everything goes back right where it was, plus water. That is it. So now we have to name this. So what I want you to recall is that our alcohol now is going to be the substituent. We need to name this. And in naming this, our alcohol is going to be the substituent. Okay, so we have two carbon atoms for our alcohol, so we're going to call it ethyl. And then we have the acid, which is three carbon atoms, okay? And we always give the ending is always going to be OATE. So because there's three carbon atoms, it's going to be propane, and then the ending is going to be OATE because this is a ester. Okay, that is all that you need to know. So if you're asked to name something like this, you just give the name of the alcohol becomes a substituent. Look at how many carbon atoms you have. If it's two carbon atoms, you get ethyl, and then you give the name for your for this piece right here. And we know we have three carbon atoms, so we have propane, and then we know that this is an ester, so we have OATE at the end, and then you also have water. That is it. So what are some uses of esters? Okay, we look up here, we see that yes, Dolce and Gabbana, yes, that's definitely perfume. Okay, so our esters, they are responsible for those sweet smells of perfumes. Okay, and then we also have these are solvents. Okay, and okay, our esters are responsible for these things. And then we also have the nice hue in bananas, strawberries. These are all because of our esters. So esters, when you think of esters, think of sweet smells. Sweet smells, esters. For a bonus, you can go ahead and you can do these three, and you will definitely be receiving your bonus points. Until next time.